Good morning to the respected headmaster, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most special days in our lives, Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated in India every year on September 5th, on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, philosopher, scholar, and the second president of India. A teacher is not just a person who teaches lessons from textbooks. A teacher is someone who teaches us how to face life, how to overcome challenges, and how to become a better human being. Our parents gives us life, but teachers give direction to our lives. They identify our talents, correct our mistakes, encourage us when we feel discouraged, and inspire us to achieve our dreams. Behind every successful student, there is a teacher who believed in them. A teacher's words may be simple, but they can create a great change in students' life. A teacher's guidance can turn a confused student into a confident person and a dream into a reality. Dear friends, no matter how successful we become in the future, we should never forget the teachers who helped us reach there. The best way to respect our teachers is not only to thank them, but also to follow the good values they teach us. On this special occasion, let us express our heartfelt gratitude to all our teachers for their patience, guidance, love, and support. A good teacher teaches, a great teacher inspires, and an excellent teacher changes lives. Once again, I wish all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.